Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your photo hugging your favorite celebrity with AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. To create the photo, you need to open up the Gemini and we're going to use Nano Banana on Gemini. You can visit gemini.google.com or you can open the Gemini app. You can open it from your computer or from your mobile phone. And then here you can go to the tools and then select Nano Banana feature or Nano Banana tool shown by this banana icon, and then you're going to upload your photo with your favorite celebrity. And I'm just going to upload a random photo from my device. I'm going to upload this one and also this one. Okay, and I'm going to click on open. Alright, after the photos have been uploaded, you can add this prompt. Okay, this is the prompt and I'll put it on the description. And then you're going to click on the submit icon and just wait for a moment. And you can modify this prompt guys according to your needs. For me, I'm going to create Polaroid photo. So I asked the AI to take a photo taken with a Polaroid camera. Okay, and this is the result. Wow, that's so cute. And if you want to download it, you can click on the photo and then you can click on this download icon. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.